Yo, what's going on, guys? This is your boy Jay. Thank you for watching the video. I had to make an updated video for you guys. It's been a very long ride since the first video when I made the my taillight video on my car using Snapchat. So as you can see, one by one, the videos are getting better. The quality's getting better. I'm doing more for you guys. If you guys are new to the channel, go ahead and like, drop a comment, subscribe, support, follow me on Instagram, ask me questions, whatever you got to do. As I'm recording this video right now, this part of the video, I am now sitting at 950 subscribers. I am super excited. I'm super grateful for all you guys, for all the support and everything. It's been a long run, and I still got a lot more things coming up. There's still so many things I haven't even posted yet that I've done to my car. If you follow me on Instagram, you see some of the things I've done already. I have videos for every little thing that I'm doing. Maybe not every little thing, but you know what I'm trying to say. But anyway, stay tuned to the next video, and I'll see you guys later.